Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I will share you latest update for Canada Visitor Visa Update 2025. This video is for you. We're diving into the latest updates on the Canadian Visitor Visa, including new rules, processing times, and tips to increase your chances of approval. Bell, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any important updates on immigration and travel. First, let's do a quick refresher. A Canada Visitor Visa, also known as a Temporary Resident Visa or TRV, allows foreign nationals to visit Canada for tourism, family visits, or short business trips. Most visitors can stay for up to 6 months. Now, let's talk about what's new in 2025. Here are the key changes you need to know. As of January 2025, all visitor visa applications must be submitted online via the IRCC portal. Paper applications are no longer accepted except in rare cases. Good news! IRCC has introduced AI-assisted processing, reducing average wait times to 30 to 45 days for most countries. If you gave your biometrics in the last 10 years, you may not need to give them again in 2025. There's now a priority processing stream for parents and grandparents visiting their family in Canada. Updated proof of funds requirements. Applicants now need to show a minimum of 4,000 Canadian dollars to 6,000 for a short stay, depending on the length and purpose of visit. To improve your chances of approval, here are some important tips. Show strong ties to your home country, like a job, property, or family. Submit clear travel plans, including itinerary, hotel bookings, and return tickets. Include a letter of invitation if you're visiting friends or family. Make sure your bank statements and financials are up to date. Double-check that all your documents are translated to English or French if needed. Let's also quickly cover the top 3 mistakes people make when applying for a visitor visa. Submitting incomplete document. Not explaining the purpose of visit plural. Ignoring travel history or overstaying on previous visas. If you're planning to visit Canada in 2025, now is a great time to prepare. The process is smoother, but competition is still high, so make your application count. For more info, check the link in the description for official government resources. And if you want a step-by-step guide on how to apply online, let me know in the comments. Thumbs up, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone who's planning their trip to Canada. Safe travels and see you in the next video.